welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do review about Finel, that is Sunny Home Care Private Limited, Sunny Strong Concentrated Cleaner Premium Green. This is the Finel which I'm going to do a review about. It's very heavy and it is 5 liter. This is the 5 liter bottle. This is the cap of it, and it is dark green in color, which come in a plastic plastic. This is a plastic bottle of 5 liter. So I'm going to do review of this product today. So this is Sunny Finel, fine fresh Sunny Green. Sunny Green is much more than a Finel. The advanced formula keeps marble and granite low, sparkling clean. The cleanliness you can be proud of. Ideal cleaner for floors, toilet, wash basin, etc. Safe on hands, specially formulated to clean grease and stubborn stain. Leave your floor sparkling clean. Leave pleasant, lingering pine fragrance, environment friendly. Keep away from eyes. Keep out of reach of children. Causes eye and skin irritation. If in contact with skin or eyes, rinse cautiously with water. Remove contact lenses if present and continue rinsing. If irritation persists, get medical attention. Wash hand thoroughly after handling. Do not mix with any other household cleaner or acid for external use only. This is what it is mentioned in this bottle. Direction for use: you need to sweep the floor to remove dust. Add 2 cap full 15 ml to make a small bucket of water, 6 liter, exprox. Mop as usual. Squeeze after every swab. Leave to dry. The customer care number is 9122 67208 and they have given the mobile number, that is 7506215183. They have mentioned that Sunny is a registered trademark of Sunny Home Care Private Limited, India. Imitation of trademark or label is a punishable offence. It is manufactured by Sunny Home Care Private Limited. Registered office 109, first floor, Raja Industrial Estate, PK Road, Mulund West, Mumbai 400080, Maharashtra, India. Factory address that they have given is plot number 789/4, 789/4, GS Land, 801/20, Phase 3, Vapi Industrial Area, GIDC, Vapi, District Valsad, 396195, Gujarat, India. And they have also mentioned their email ID, that is sunnysumitgroup@gmail.com, and their website name is www.sunnyhomecare.co.in. Sunny Sumit Group is made in India. Ingredients they have mentioned are turkey, red oil, the pentane, dihydromicinol, top, pine oil. The net volume that I have told you, that is 5 liters. And they the manufacturing batch number, that also they have mentioned it. See on the neck, and the maximum retail price inclusive of all taxes. Best before 24 months from the date of manufacturing. So they have mentioned the manufacturing date, that is 5th October 2004, and the MRP of this product is ₹1000. So I bought this product from Amazon, that is for ₹1000 only, because I was not getting this Sunny Finel anywhere in my local shop. So I thought of buying it online. We have a local shop like this Jalaram store over here, but he has other product, but I didn't find a Sunny product over there. So I found this on Amazon. So I bought it from Amazon online. So if you want to buy the Sunny cleaner to wash your floor, everyday use of your floor, you can buy it online from Amazon. I have kept the link in the description. You can buy this product online from Amazon. I'll give you the product description, that is brand that is Sunny, item form that is liquid, scent that is fine, specific use that is you can clean your floor, toilets, material is biodegradable, and item volume is 5 liters that I have told you, mentioned. Surface that is for floor cleaning, special feature that is antimicrobial, no rinse, hospital grade, antibacterial, concentrated, and the number of items which I got for ₹1000, that is only one, that is 5 liters. About this item, use 20 ml Sunny concentrated floor cleaner and 5 liters of water daily for better result. Mopping, just add 20 ml of Sunny concentrated floor cleaner to a bucket of water and get a sparkling clean floor. No need to rinse. Toilets and bathroom, simply spread Sunny product on the tile, leave it for 10 minutes, rinse. You can also add few drops of Sunny directly into the bathroom. That is what they have mentioned about this. Toilet and bathroom, simply spread Sunny product on the tiles, leave it for 10 minutes and you have to rinse. You can also add few drops of Sunny directly into the bathroom drainage. If you want to put in your bathroom drainage, you can put directly the few drops of Sunny. This Sunny, it is one of the most trusted and popular brand in the floor cleaner category that doesn't only provide cleanliness but an effective formulation, remove tough stains and keep the floor sparkling clean. The signature pine fragrance gives a sense of constant freshness. A product designed to match its money worth, Sunny Active Shine is here to make your cleaning easy and floor shiny. Why just clean your floor when you can have it smell good with variety of fragrance? This floor cleaner not only remove a bad odor but give long-lasting aroma that stays for hours. This perfume floor cleaner is easy on marble as well as granite and does not do any harm to any kind of flooring. Make your floor smell good with this Sunny strong concentrated cleaner. It is of premium green. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit a like on my video and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing video. And if you want to buy this product, you can buy from Amazon. I have kept the link in the description. You too can buy it over there. Thank you for subscribing. Bye.